In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a standing Zottman curl. So firstly, once you've got the dumbbells in your hands, I want you to bring your feet to hip width apart. Now from this position, I've got my palms here facing towards the camera, so I'm in a palm up position. And I want my elbows to be nice and close to my sides, so get your elbows tucked into your body as close as they can be. Now also I want you to note that my shoulders are slightly back, so if you're somebody that's got a slightly rounded position with the shoulders, make sure you're nice and upright when you start the movement. So core braced, feet hip width apart. I'm going to slowly start to bring the dumbbells up. Once I've reached that maximal contraction of my bicep, watch what my palms do now. So they come to a palm down position, still keeping the elbows into the sides, and I'm going to lower under control. Once I get to the bottom, I'm going to switch to that palm up position. Again, controlling that upwards phase, keeping the elbows in. I then bring my hands into what's called pronation, so that hands down position, and then like so, nice and controlled when I'm bringing down the dumbbells. Now, you of course can do one side at a time, so you could decide to do one side with your Zottman curl, and then do the next side with your Zottman curl, so start to do alternating repetitions, or of course you can do both at the same time. What you don't want to do is you don't want to cheat by swinging the weights up and bringing your elbows high. So keep those elbows in. Notice how when I'm in this position, I'm at that maximal contraction. I don't need to come up any further. And then it's just palms down and slowly back down, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a standing Zottman curl.